Welcome to the 217th session of the Nature Assembly, where rivers vote, mountains have voices, and the tiniest insect can sway the world.
Today's motion: should fossil fuels be forever banned from Earth?
Representing the melting north, Ambassador Nanak of the icebound territories.
Each year, I lose more of my home to your hunger for flame. My cousins drown not in water, but in your denial.
Opposing the motion, Sir Exxon Beetle, lifelong lobbyist for the Combustion Consortium.
Without us, there is no warmth, no movement, no progress. We lit the path forward while you napped in the snow.
Evidence clashed. Data scrolled. The old world demanded sacrifice. The new world demanded change. Sometimes, the smallest voice silences all others.
We do not seek revenge, only survival.
And so, by paw and claw and feather, the vote was cast.
Motion passed. Fossil fuels sunset in 10 lunar cycles.
Will there be a place for me in this future?
Only if you dig up, not down.
And the earth turned, with one less fire beneath its feet. Tomorrow, a new motion will rise with the sun.